Travis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, lasers, water jets, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a really nice machine we just finished up, just came out of our paint shop. Everything's been gone through on this machine. It's all checked out. This is an Accurshear 1/4 inch by 12 foot. You can see it's a nice clean machine. Got some really nice big front supports. Nice square arm right here. We'll go through and cut a little bit on this machine just to let you see. No problem there. Accurshear is a great brand. They've been around a long time. They have good support throughout the US. Now you'll notice here we have a back gauge controller, and what this is going to allow you to do, if you want to go to 15 inches, you hit 15, hit GOTO, and now that back gauge you can hear is moving forward to us, which is going to allow us to cut a 15-inch piece of metal. We'll show you that again in just a sec. We'll go back out, but now you can see the piece is right at that 15-inch mark. All you have to do is keep cutting, pushing it back there, hit that back gauge, and you'll know you get a nice square cut every time. Just going to do one more cut on the edge here, and then I'll bring that back gauge in so you can see that. We've gone all the way through the blade here. And then we'll move that back gauge. Right now we're at 15 inches. We'll bring it out to 30 inches. Makes it really easy to do progressive cuts one after another. If you have to go from 10 inch to 20 inch, making your sheet the most efficient cuts. Now you can see we're at 30 inches on the back, 30 inches here. And if we shove our piece in, we're going to go all the way to that 30 inches and we'll know we can stop every time. And you can see this Accurshear is a really nice machine. This is a hydraulic shear. We do carry mechanical shears as well, much larger, much smaller, depending on what your need is and what material you have. Please let us know. We have some amazing financing deals for you. You check out our entire inventory at sterlingmachinery.com. We look forward to talking to you at 626-444-0311. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.